Hello and welcome back to APES Simplified. Today we're doing the complete AP Environmental Science math review. Math shows up in APES, but you don't get a formula sheet on test day like AP Bio. Luckily, the math isn't that hard. You just need to know these formulas ahead of time. We're going to cover dimensional analysis or unit conversions, percent change, population growth and doubling time, and half-life calculations. We'll walk through each one with clear examples. Let's start with the dimensional analysis, one of the most common types you'll see. The key is simple: cancel out your units step by step and let the unit guide your setup. Here's an example. An average person eats 100 kilograms of meat per year. If a country has 5 million people, how much meat is consumed per year in metric tons? Remember that 1 metric ton equals 1,000 kilograms. Let's set it up. 100 kilograms per person per year times 5 million people times 100 metric tons per 1,000 kilograms. Now written out, 100 times 5 million divided by 1,000 will give us 500,000 metric tons of meat per year. So always keep your units visible, because persons can cancel out persons, kilograms cancel kilograms, and you are left with metric tons per year. Next up is percent change. The formula is simple: new minus original divided by original times 100. Let's say a population grows from 800 to 1,000. First, 100 minus 800 equals to 200, and now divide. We will get 0.25, and then multiply by 100 will give you 25%. So the population increased by 25%. Now let's cover population growth and doubling time. First, growth rate. The formula is birth minus death divided by total population times 100. So the example is that there are 2,500 births, 500 deaths, and a total population of 100,000. So we subtract and divide and multiply by 100, and we will get the growth rate is 2%. And now for doubling time, we use the rule of 70. Take 70 divided by the growth rate. 70 divided by 2 equals to 35 years. That's how long it would take for the population to double. Finally, let's cover half-life calculations. This example says that a radioactive isotope has a half-life of 5 years. You start with 100 grams. How much remains after 15 years? First, calculate the number of half-lives. 15 divided by 5 equals to 3 half-lives. And now use the formula. Remaining amounts equals initial amounts times 1/2 raised to the number of half-lives. In this case, 100 times 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. That's 100 times 1/8, which equals to 12.5 grams. Or you can simply cut in half 3 times, like this. 100 grams, 50 grams, 25 grams, and 12.5 grams. Both methods will get you to the same answer. Alright, now it's your turn. Pause here and try these practice problems. Here are the answer keys. And that's your full APES math review. Remember that there's no formula sheet on this exam, so you want to know these formulas well. If this helped, make sure you like and subscribe for more APES Simplified. See you next time!